We have three options for condensate disposal on the HP290 range. We can install the unit onto a permeable base, either gravel, sand or a correctly installed soakaway, and allow the unit to drain freely. This would require you to leave the condensate drain hole underneath open. On the 8 kW to 14 kW models, there is a second drain hole covered by a rubber plug. If the small drain hole cannot meet the drainage requirements, the large drain hole can also be used. This is the preferred method, and it's important to remember, if choosing this method of condensate disposal, that the outdoor unit must still be mounted structurally sound, level and not degrade over time from condensate drainage or freezing. If the heat pump is installed on a non-permeable base, route the condensate to a rainwater drain or gully. Install the condensate spigot at the drain connection point, then direct the pipework to a suitable drain or gully. Since the HP290 refrigerant is R290, a frost-free siphon such as a P-trap is required with this disposal option. To help avoid freezing, any condensate that is piped away from the heat pump must be sloped towards the drain. To install the condensate spigot, apply silicone-based grease to the seal. Insert the spigot and use a set of grips to turn the spigot 90 degrees so the retaining face has full contact with the base of the panel. The outer diameter of the spigot is 32 mm and must be connected to an appropriately fitting hose. Install the optional condensate drain tray beneath the outdoor unit and connect it to a rainwater drain or gully. Ensure the drain hole underneath the unit is left open, then route the condensate to the drain. This method also requires a frost-free siphon, such as a P-trap, and the pipe must slope downwards towards the drain to prevent freezing. If you choose either option 2 or 3, the minimum requirement for the condensate pipework size is 32 mm, and all condensate pipework must be insulated. The HP290 units have a pressure relief valve discharge at the back of the unit. The location of the discharge outlet pipe should not cause any hazards to the occupants of the premises or damage to the property, and if deemed necessary it must be piped away in a safe manner using selected materials that can withstand the relevant pressures and temperatures. It can also be collected by the condensate drain tray with a suitable drain connection if this option was used for condensate disposal.